Paano mag-harvest ng FCC coins sa blockchain kung marami kang na-stake? Okay, let's start. First, click your FCC, get your contract interaction, copy the interacted wallet address, copy, then back to home, and then click explore, and then type mo yung Polygon scan.com and then search. Okay, paste the contract interacting address, paste here, and then search. Wait till it's loading. Okay, scroll up, you can see the transaction. Click contract, click write contract, connect web using your MetaMask, and then choose harvest. Dito sa harvest, you have to type 0 pag mag-harvest ka. Pero dahil marami ka nang na-stake, so hindi lang yung 0 kasi para lang sa first contract, yung unang-una mong in-stake. So marami kang in-stake, gusto mong i-harvest lahat. So i-type mo yung 01. Dahil wala yung laman, na-harvest ko na yan. So doon tayo sa 03. Ibig sabihin, yun yung pangatlo kong in-stake. Yung ano ba tawag doon? Yung interest na na-harvest ko, in-stake ko siya ulit. So, number 3 siya. So, click right. And you can see here, makita mo na siya. Then, confirm. Okay. Confirm. Na. Halimbawa, gusto mo ulit i-harvest yung kasunod, just change the number 04. Then, click right. O, ayan. Diba? Nakita nyo, ayan na yung next mong na stake. So, i-harvest ulit natin. Ganon lang. Hanggang sa ma-harvest mo siya lahat, palitan mo lang yung number niya, but always put 0 sa unahan. Hope it can help you para hindi na tayo magka-problema if ever mawala yung website, dito na lang tayo. Bye-bye!